Hello everyone, today I am here with iQOO 9 Pro, the flagship phone from iQOO, for a long-term review focusing on serious problems on the phone. I felt like I was gonna waste money if I bought this phone, so I had to find a guy who had the phone to finally use it. I believe that after watching this video, you can decide whether this flagship phone is a mistake or not. So without any delay, let's jump right into the video and see the review. Coming on to the problems of the phone, the first problem on the phone is that the touchscreen is unresponsive at times. Like here in this video that was recorded by the guy who gave me the phone to use, you can see how the touchscreen is not responding at times. This can be a software bug or maybe a hardware defect, but who knows. By the way, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel as a token for my effort. Thanks in advance for that. Now coming on to the second problem, we have an unresponsive camera app. When we are opening the camera app, it seems to be working, but actually it's stucking. Like we cannot use the interface at all. The camera is not working. This might be an extension of the existing touch unresponsiveness issue, or however, we can also consider this maybe because of a camera software bug that was because of the unrefined software. This could maybe be addressed by a software update, but we will have to wait and find out. The third problem that I experienced on the phone is that when we are taking videos from the main gimbal camera of the phone that it can rotate in all directions, there seems to be stutters in the video when we are moving closer towards the subject. I have taken and attached a sample video so that you can see how the stutters are there in the video, and this seems to be a big issue, either a hardware or a software issue. Now, I'll give some brief information on the specifications of the phone. The phone comes with an LTPO2 AMOLED display of 6.78 inches size and 1440 x 3200 pixel resolution, and it's having Pantaglass protection, and I don't know which brand that is or whether it's reliable or not. The phone also have 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus support. Now coming over to the hardware section of the phone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8th generation 1 chip with 4nm thickness, and it's having an octa-core CPU and Adreno 730 GPU. The phone either comes with an 8GB RAM or 12GB RAM. The phone comes with either 256GB of internal storage or 512GB of internal storage. Coming on to the camera section, we have three main cameras in the back section of the phone. A 50 megapixel main camera with gimbal optical image stabilization scheme, a 16 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera that can shoot up to 150-degree angles. And in the front section we have a 60 megapixel main camera. Now finally coming to the question of purchasing the phone, my recommendation is to give off the money to some worthy poor people rather than buying this overpriced flagship phone with budget specifications. If you have any queries, feel free to ask them in the comment section. You can also request review of select phone models and I will look through them. So thanks for watching. Bye.